Hi, this is Alan Olsen, Managing Partner of Greenstone Rogup Olsen Company, and welcome to Tax Corner. Today I want to talk about tax deductions in reference to donating collectibles as a charitable contribution. Now, collectors who want to make donations may consider donating artwork and collectibles to charity auctions. If this is something you're thinking about and would like to take the full tax benefits, the following tips may help. Making donations to a charitable organization auction. Number 1, make sure that you are donating to a qualified charity. The Internal Revenue Service maintains a list of charities where donations may qualify for tax deductions. Most churches and government organizations are qualified, but all other charities have to apply to the IRS to be a qualified charitable organization. To confirm that you're donating to a qualified charity, either ask the charity directly or find out if they appear in IRS Publication 78, which contains a list of the most qualified charities. Number 2, have your collectibles appraised. With respect to donation of valuable collectibles, those that are over $5,000, getting an appraisal from a qualified appraiser is an important step in the donation process, even though you may or may not be required to attach the appraisal to your tax return. Now, the appraisal fees that exceed 2% of your adjusted gross income are tax deductible. The appraisal must be made within 60 days before the date you contribute the property. Additionally, you must receive the appraisal before the due date, including extensions of the returns on which you first claimed the deduction for the property. If your artwork or collectible is worth more than $5,000, you're not required to attach the appraisal to your return, but just keep the record yourself. If you deduct $500,000 or more for the item or group of similar items, you will need to attach the qualified appraisal to your tax return. Special filing requirements for art donations include attaching a copy of the assigned appraisal to Form 8283 if your total deduction for art is $20,000 or more. In addition, a photograph may be required for individual objects valued at $20,000 or more. Number 3, check to see if you'll receive tax benefits from your donation. Your charitable deduction is limited to 30% of your AGI if the collectibles are capital gain property and donated to a publicly supported charity. If the donation is to a private foundation, the limit is 20% of your adjusted gross income. The unused charitable deduction can be carried forward to future years. However, you must use it within 5 years. Otherwise, you'll lose the ability to claim the deduction. This is Alan Olsen, and we'll see you next time on Tax Corner.